Hey guys, it's Nika with Apollo Sprayers, and I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot your gland seal. So what you're going to need is a wrench, and what you're going to do with that is that there is a gland nut right here on your spray gun. It's going to be this little gold piece right here. And what you're going to do is that sometimes when you're running your spray tanning solution, you're going to notice that this piece is starting to leak with solution. And the first thing you're going to want to do is to make sure that you clean off all of that excess solution. You don't want that to dry up and gunk up this part of your gun. So just make sure you thoroughly clean that first, and then you're going to take that wrench and you're going to do quarter turns to the right very slowly. It is very important that you don't overturn this nut because there is a possibility of smushing all of your seals. There are 4 seals inside of this gun, and I'll show you in just a second, but there is a possibility of smushing all of them if you over tighten this gland seal. Luckily, in your Apollo kit, we do provide extras. So there are 4 seals that are inside of your spray gun, and when you notice that gets smushed, we do provide you with an additional 4 seals. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take off your old ones and you're going to replace them with your new ones, and then you're going to go in, reassemble your gun, and then readjust your gland seal again with those quarter turns to make sure we're not over tightening this seal. And then you're going to respray, and if you still notice that there's a little bit of solution, again, we want to make sure that we clean that off thoroughly, and then readjust again with that quarter turn, spray again, and then it should stop leaking. And that's how you troubleshoot a gland seal.